Welcome back. We've talked about systems, sensors, real-time data, even mapping inside files. But none of that means much if your measurements cannot be trusted. In this episode, we'll focus on something essential but often overlooked: reference equipment. Because even the smartest system needs a reality check. Let's say you're running a PQ with 16 sensors in an autoclave. They all show results within specs. Great, right? But what if the entire system is drifting and you do not know it? That's why calibration is not just a requirement. It is a responsibility. And that's where Live's international dry blocks and reference probes come in. They keep your system honest and your audits clean. The dry blocks that we are using are engineered for high stability, fast heat up and recovery time, compact size, easy to carry around your site, wide temperature range, from freezer validation to dry heat sterilizer. They are compatible with ExpertVal 64-wired system, ExpertLog wireless system, and third-party reference probes if you're running cross-validation check. Yes, even if your quality assurance head insists on using that K probe from 2007. Each insert is precision machined to your sensor type. Thermocouple, RTDs, wireless ExpertLog sensors, so you always get good thermal contact and accurate reading. Think of this as your truth machine. If your logger says 121.0 and the reference probe say differently, you'll be glad you checked before you hit print report. You can also program temperature ramps and hold points. The dry block will do the rest, consistently and reproducibly. Because it's not just about being precise, it's about being predictable precise. You can connect a Live reference probe directly to ExpertVal 64 or a laptop before it gets to our ExpertLog software. That way, it becomes part of your test file, audit trail, and final report automatically. When do you use it? Before and after every mapping campaign, during sensors check, during calibration drift investigation, or simply to prove your system is behaving as it should. We all love smart sensors, shiny software, and fast data. But without calibration and reference verification, it's like driving a Ferrari without checking the tire pressure. And remember, if an auditor ever asks, how do you know your system was accurate? You want to say something better than, well, it felt right. So whether you're mapping 64 channels or 6, make sure all of them are a reference you can trust. Because in thermal validation, certainty matters. Want to see our dry blocks in action? Need insert customized for your sensors? Or want to cross-check your existing systems? We are here for that. And now that's episode 5, and it brings us full circle. From data acquisition, validation to calibration. Everything is connected. In the next episode, we'll explore smart accessories and integration. How to build validation kits that save time, reduce setup errors, and make your team love you and us. Until then, stay sharp, stay calibrated, and always trust but verify. Sayonara and goodbye.